Today we're going to do a Christmas wreath.
Okay, so we are just doing one of our little 5-minute crafts. We are going to make a wreath out of a coffee filter. Do you know you can do that? Do you know what coffee is?
For people who have beards.
Who have beards like grandfather?
Yeah, like kind of like a dad will get too old.
Yeah.
Like kind of your grandfather.
Uh-huh.
They get beard.
So anybody with a beard drinks coffee, is that correct?
Yeah.
All right. So what we're going to do is we got some...
the one who cuts.
Okay. So we got a couple of these coffee filters. So we got a bunch of these. We're going to flatten it out like this. So here you go. Here's one. And this is going to be a very simple, easy craft to do at home. You need just coffee filters, glue, markers, and some water. So I've got a little bit of different things here to decorate. All right. So let's see.
I will draw what colors Christmassy. I'll draw Christmassy colors.
So what colors do you want? Okay, this is what we're going to do. You're going to take a coffee filter and you're going to flatten it out.
Yeah.
Then you're going to do decorations on it. So you're going to do different designs. So if you want to do out here like this. And then
I got
you
blue.
design. Yeah, like this.
I got make a guy.
Mm-hmm. And then you can do any sort of different designs that you want to do.
I will draw the guy, me with you, Mommy, and then the sun.
And we're gonna, oh, this looks like the same color.
Mommy.
Did I not get the same color? What?
You did get the same color.
Okay, so Mommy's going to get a lighter shade of blue. And I'm just going to do
So
this.
that was actually green. Actually, when I colored, it got there. On the table.
All right.
I'm going to draw the guy.
Draw the sky.
Right
Here I've got it kind of like this. Can you hand me the water for me, please?
Yeah.
And then Mommy's going to show you what we're going to do. So we're just going to do some water. And it's going to kind of tie-dye it. Okay, so after we've had our, after we color, we got our little wreath. I want to say like flower or decoration. And we're going to take...
Look!
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
No,
And we're
I got it.
Okay. So here you go. And then what you do is you're going to take... I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to fold mine in half like this for like a little decoration. And then I'm going to glue it to one side, and you repeat around the whole wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and glue.
I did a little more coloring in the guy. Now we're going to put some more water in.
This is what we're trying to get. That's what we're trying to get to.
With
There we go. Isn't it pretty?
orange.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah. Followed by yellow.
It's gotta come out really pretty when it's done.
I mentioned. Look.
Yeah.
Look at my fancy piece of paper.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Wow. Isn't that really pretty?
Yeah, but first, before we make it into one of the wreaths, we have to let the glue settle and dry.
You're right. You're right. We need to let the glue settle and dry, and then also the coffee filters to dry. But let's see. While we're still doing this, can you think cut that much? All right. I think this will look really nice over here. And this is going to be so that way we can hang it on a door.
Yeah.
You think that would look nice?
Yeah. And then I say, who made this?
Who made this?
Yeah, and I'm going to say, Mommy, me made this.
Yeah. Let's see.
Last napkin wet.
Yeah, and the last napkin's wet. So there we go.
What is weapon for?
Well, that was for decoration, I was thinking, to go down here. But I think that this is pretty nice, don't you think?
No, I think it needs a little more decoration on the side.
Okay, where do you want the ribbon?
Like right here,
Okay.
on the side.
All right.
You will do, I don't know how to make a bow.
Okay.
I mean, like,
So
one
we
of those,
tie it like this.
yeah, and make it into like a bow.
And make it into a bow like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the other one, right
All
here.
right.
So that's why I cut it.
Okay.
So we could add like a little more decoration.
Yeah, I see that. You did cut it in half. So there we go.
Yeah.
There's our 10-minute Christmas wreath decoration.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody for joining us.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.